Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So kids, today let us start our new lesson, that is lesson number 11, Spaceship and Satellites. Class 5, subject Science. So all the 5th class students, take out your textbook, page number 118. Spaceship and Satellite. So what is space? Have you ever heard about space and satellites? Yes. So space is nothing but where the earth atmosphere ends. There is no place above it. So that is called as what? Space. So space begins where the earth atmosphere ends. It is about 1000 kilometers away. Space is a dark, airless, silent place. All the stars and the planets you see in the sky at night are in space. So space is being explored by manned and unmanned spacecraft. Okay. So space is a thing. When our earth ends, as the earth atmosphere ends, it is then there is a space, and it is about 1000 kilometers away from the earth. So space is dark, it is very airless, there is no oxygen, okay, and there is totally silent. There is no human beings. So all the stars and planet which you see from the earth in the sky, okay, these stars and planets are found in the space. So space is been explored by man and unmanned manner with the help of artificial satellites. Next is what? Spacecraft or spaceship. Spacecraft is a machine which can carry man into space. It is called spaceship as we can travel in the space by it. So spacecraft is a machine with the help of which we human beings can easily travel into the space. And why it is called spaceship? Because we can travel in the sky. That's why it is called as what? Spaceship. Like how if you want traveling by air, that is called as what? Airplane. Train, because we can travel on the tracks, that's why it is called as what? Train. So similarly, why it is called space? Because we can travel easily on the space, that's why it is called as what? Spaceship. Spacecraft is launched up by rockets with a speed of about 40,000 kilometers per hour. So first rocket, they have developed what? Rocket with the speed of what? 40,000 kilometers per hour. So this large speed is required to overcome the downward pull of the earth's gravity. We all know that earth gravity is downward. Whatever we'll throw, it goes downward. Okay, it doesn't fly in the air. Whatever things we are throwing, it goes downward. So in order to fight against the earth's gravity, it is important that the space speed must be like a rocket, 40,000 kilometers per hour. So astronauts or cosmonauts are those brave men who go into the space by spacecraft. They wear special airtight spacesuits with oxygen inside. Note, astronaut is a name given by American and cosmonauts is a name given by Russians. So the person, like whenever we are feeling ill, we go to a doctor. That name is been specified, that doctor. So I am teaching you, I am called as what? Teacher. Similarly, the person who are going in the space, okay, who are going right directly into the space, they are called as what? Astronauts and cosmonauts. So astronaut is the name given by American and cosmonauts is the name given by Russians. Next is what? Satellite. A satellite is an object which revolves around a planet in an orbit. Moon is the only natural satellite of our home planet Earth. So there is a satellite, that is what? Artificial satellite. We human beings have created a satellite that moves around the planet with a camera just to see that how the space looks like, how the stars looks like, how the moon looks like. Okay. So that's the reason we human beings created what? Satellites. And easily we can identify, there the camera has been there, and with the help of satellites we can easily identify what other things are there into the space. Okay, so moon is the only natural satellite of our home planet. Moon is also called as what? Satellite, and it is a natural satellite. It is not been created by the human beings. Some of the spaceship or spacecraft circle around the earth. They are called artificial or man-made satellite. Artificial satellites can be seen clearly in the night sky because they reflect sunlight. So yes, some of the spaceships and spacecraft which moves around the earth. So हमारे earth के आस-पास भी there are satellites which are moving, which are man-made satellites, just to see that how the earth's locate. Okay, so that's why we have created what? Artificial satellite. And this artificial satellite we can easily say in the night sky because it reflects what? Light. It reflects what? Sunlight. So that's why during the night time we can easily see. You can see the picture over here. These are called as what? Artificial satellite. Beginning of space age. The first unmanned spaceship or satellite was launched from the Earth was Sputnik 1. This was the first satellite or spaceship which was launched, and it was sent into space by Russia. Okay, on October 4, 1957, it was the beginning of the space age. So first spaceship was sent on 4th October 1957 from whom? By Russia. Okay, which is called as what? Sputnik. So the first traveler in the space was a little white dog that is called as what? Laika. It was a dog which they sent into the space. The Russians sent Laika into a space a month after Sputnik 1. The first man to travel around the earth in the space was Major Yuri Gagarin from Russia. Valentina Tereshkova, a Russian woman, was the first woman to go into the space. So first satellite was Sputnik, then afterwards it was a dog, then this man, he went into the space, and this lady, she was the first lady from Russia which went into the space. So these were the first people who went into the space from Russia. Okay, so yes children, for today this much is enough. Go through the lesson. Then in the next part 2 I am going to explain you about the voyage into space, one small step for a man, entry of India into the space ship. So first was Russia who went into the space, then afterwards there are many countries who made an attempt and they sent the people into the space. So first go through the lesson, learn about space, astronauts, cosmonauts, space suits, artificial satellites, Sputnik 1. Learn about these things and then watch my video, and I will meet soon with a new video with a part 2 in the next video session. Till then children, goodbye and take care.